This giant whale was chained to the sea. It wailed in agony. Watching the whale shed tears, Jack decided to save it. He rode a flying donkey through the whale's nose and got inside. The view inside was beautiful. Jack asked the donkey to use its wings to stimulate the whale's nasal passages. The whale felt an instant tickling sensation, so it slowly opened its mouth and broke the chains holding it. As the whale's mouth opened wider and wider, more and more seawater filled its nostrils. Jack screamed and lunged forward. Then the whale sneezed. Jack took this opportunity to escape. The whale's sneeze not only broke all the chains holding it in place, but also spit out all the fishing boats in its stomach. Then the whale was free and swam into the sea. To thank Jack, the whale asked a crab to give Jack a ring. Then Jack flew back to the palace on his little flying donkey. At night he sneaked up to the princess's attic and gave her the ring. He wanted the princess to leave with him and she agreed, but the king's guards found them and arrested them.